Shoutout sa mga solid nating ka-teammate na sila Juan Solige, Mary Will Mamartiha, Jacqueline Recaplaza, Rosemary Juan, and Romeo Conchada. Kilalanin ang bago, malakas at matikas ngayong Barangay Ginebra players at Barangay Ginebra team. At ito nga ang kanilang final rosters or lineup for 2023-24 PBA Commissioner's Cup. Andyan sila Donald Gumaro, Tony Bishop, Japet Aguilar,
He's shooting it from way out there. Aguilar with the hammer. Right now, Scotty hooks it backwards, jumper. Should have been automatic jumper past couple of seasons.
Christian Stan Hardinger,
Balik kay Jeremiah. Stan Hardinger will spin. And get another hook.
It's a 7-0 run. The Northport Batang Pierre.
Stan Hardinger answers back, Dr. J.
He's having a game.
Jamie Malonzo,
Here come the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel Red Shirts. So they get it to their side of the court. Thompson working against Kosevic. Malonzo, free throw line jumper. That's bottom of the net.
Good play coming off a timeout.
Stanley Pringle,
And win promo. So for details, check out www.tvbar.com.ph/spot-the-parol.
Scotty kicks. They swing it. Stanley straight away.
Scotty Thompson,
Scotty Thompson and 2 points for Christian Stan Hardinger. The total 10. Here's the third so far.
Coming off a timeout. Finally, success on the part.
Brownlee launches. Scotty does a Scotty thing. Scotty does a Scotty thing.
Nards Pinto,
33-point game by Brownlee and a steal by Brownlee. Here comes Ginebra again. Here's the drive, the penetration, the score. And listen to this crowd.
Jeremiah Gray swings it over to Pinto. Pinto to the hoop. A quick burst of speed. Mula kay John Pinto.
Jared Dillinger,
Baker, that's Marvin Lee for you. Aurin, the kick out. Dillinger had his foot on the line. Still a bucket for JD. He's not gonna miss. Pinto to JD. JD the fake. Passes underneath.
LA Tenorio,
Alam natin na fully invested ang mga manlalaro ng Rain or Shine. They don't want to go 0-2 in their first 2 games.
Clear. Defense of Barangay Ginebra versus offense of the area. Tenorio cycles around. And he gets Barangay Ginebra on the board.
Von Pesumal,
Pesumal. Nice fake. And a basket for Von.
At a consistent level, nothing too high, nothing too low. Ang importante is you know what is capable of giving day in, day out. Finally.
Raymond Aguilar,
Valentine have gone on to win the series. So the numbers in favor of Ginebra. Look away pass. Aguilar!
Jason David,
Hands it off. Pinto looks around, jumps to the corner. It is David who is wide open, and he makes it. David puts up a 16-footer off the window.
Sidney Onwubere,
For Jared Dillinger, Joe Devan, the Onwubere scores on this layup. That is not syndication this one. Very inconsistent kasi sila eh. Meron mga long run na nangyayari sa kanila, hindi talaga sila maka-score. Samantala ito si Onwubere.
Aljon Mariano,
Standings, Coach. They're 5-2 right now. We talked about their first 4 games where they were just 2-2. Apat ang lamang ng Ginebra ngayon. Tenorio, thought about it. Mariano floater over Raposevic. At ito na yung sinasabi nating mga mini run and mini spurts ng Barangay Ginebra.
Maverick Ahamnisi,
There's a kick-out pass to Maverick Ahamnisi. Even though Rainer Shine did a good closeout there.
He's outside sniping. Nice setup. And Misi hits again. He's got 2-3.
Ralph Ku,
Cool. Good. Tira.
I think galing sa practice yata yan, just Miralco.
David inside the coup.
and Jeremiah Gray.
Shot, whether it's transition or whether it's an open three-point shot. Braves for the short corner. 6 to shoot. Outside to Jeremiah. He'll take it.